something, and it was P151 who has a new litter of cubs. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching The Wild Grove. I'm Saksham. It's 4:20 in the morning. We're ready for our first morning safari. Of course, the time is 6 a.m., but we want to be the first ones. So, हम ready हो गए हैं and our jeep is there. Our partners are there, and yes, very excited, stoked, ready to get started looking for tigers. And अभी तो थोड़ा अंधेरा है, so probably I'll see you at the gate next. Or let me just introduce you to some people. So, firstly, we have Anag. He is going with us. Anag, just say hi.
Hello, everybody. Hi. Yes.
So, Anag and that is Aditya. Hi, Aditya. Good morning. They have organized this trip for us. This is Arvinder ji. He is my roomie. I woken him up early in the morning. This is Gaurav. Morning. And Khalid ji, our driver. तो अब मैं और लोगों को लेट नहीं करूंगा. Let's get going.
And you will also meet Mintu ji वहाँ पे.
Yes, Mintu ji
Very
there.
nice.
All right, let's get going.
Yes.
So after receiving the natural hair dryer early in the morning, we're finally here with a second car, and that is something to be celebrated. सूरज तो नहीं निकला है, हम चार निकल आए हैं and we are ready, uh, ecstatic, first time entering Panna, and can't wait to see what awaits. Beautiful gate of Panna Tiger Reserve. Only 10-15 minutes left until it's opened, and we're finally able to go inside the jungle. Our IDs have all been checked. हम just wait कर रहे हैं. Any minute the gate will open. And सूरज भी निकलने वाला है. The morning light is here. हम यहाँ 4:30 से हैं, so काफ़ी वेट हमने किया है. Now gonna go inside. Very excited. Let's see what we get to see. With a second car, and everybody's rushing in to find the first signs of big cat. This is the time where you can, track the movement of the animals, and being first is gives you the most advantage. हमें पग मार्क्स दिखे मील टाइगर के हैं, एंड स्लॉथ बेयर के भी पग मार्क्स थे, बट पीछे की तरफ. तो वी आर लुकिंग where we can track the animal. But हमारे गाइड साहब कह रहे थे कि P663 मेल है, बहुत बड़ा, उसके पंजे थे, एंड बहुत बड़ा पंजा था. Would have shot it, but we are trying to make the most of our time and catch, if we can, see the animal. So stay tuned. So it's been a very interesting morning. हमें पंजे दिखे, हमने काफ़ी ढूंढा, काफ़ी घूम लिया हम बहुत जल्दी, बट अभी तक दिखा नहीं कुछ. टाइगर बहुत धूल है तो मेरे बाल एकदम मतलब सॉलिडिफाई हो गए एक तरह से, धूल इतनी जम गई है। एंड यू कैन हैव अ लुक ऑल्सो, बहुत धूल है। बट it's a beautiful jungle. The first time I'm in Manna, it has remnants of other parks also. जैसे एक एरिया आएगा, you'll feel like you're in Corbett, and just right after that there'll come an area where you'll think that आप Ranthambore आ गए हो. But it's a very 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 beautiful jungle, has a lot of character to it, and the Ken River, as you see in front of us, definitely just adds to the beauty of it. We have a long time away in the jungle, तो देखते हैं हमें क्या क्या मिलता है, हम क्या देख पाते हैं, और what I'm able to shoot for you also. So stay tuned. कोई कह रहा था कि देखिए टाइग्रेस,
और गाड़ी बढ़ावा, गाड़ी ने निकाले और आगे लो।
नीचे नाला है वहाँ पे गई थी, तो फॉरेस्ट वालों ने बोला कि शायद इधर से मूव करिए, तो हम एक्साइटेड हो गए, बट अभी तक हुई नहीं है। साइड होगी तो ऑफ कोर्स दिखी जाएगी।
हम ये सोच रहे हैं अगर बनना से अगर मूवमेंट है उसका,
लेट्स सी क्या बनता है। these moments they get very adventurous जंगल में। टाइगर जैसे कोई बोलता भी है ना, मेंशन भी करता है, the excitement is palpable like right now. Fingers crossed. Guys, just टाइगर अभी यहाँ से क्रॉस करके नीचे गया है। We're waiting, अगर दोबारा टर्न करके इस तरफ को आती है। Just missed it by a few seconds. टाइगर की मूवमेंट की आवाज़ तो आ रही है, आगे चल के देखेंगे। चलो आ जाओ आ जाओ।
सीधा ऑन द स्पॉट।
जस्ट मिस्ड अ टाइग्रेस। यहाँ पे रोड क्रॉस करी गई, हम आए बट वी मिस्ड हर क्रॉसिंग, एंड इट वाज P151 who has a new litter of cubs. पहले कह रहे थे कि वो 141 की बेटी है, 151 की जो सब अडल्ट बेटी है वो है, but it was P151 and she's crossed, and we just missed it by an inch. 2 बार हो गया है। We're going to wait and now try again.
कैमरा हमेशा कैरी करता हूँ बिकॉज़ कैमरामैन नेवर डाइज।
Yes.
आ भी गई तो पहले फोटो खींचा पहले।
हाँ, क्योंकि मेमोरी कार्ड थोड़ी खा जाएगी।
मेमोरी कार्ड थोड़ी खा जाएगी, हमें खा जाएगी, चारों को थोड़ी खा जाएगी, कोई ना कोई तो लेके जाएगा वापस।
So this is one of the points in Madla where you can stop. People have breakfast also in this place. यहाँ पे you can use the washroom, and coincidentally the area you see behind me, इधर ही एक tigress उसकी growling की आवाज़ आ रही थी. So apparently that is P151 sub-adult female cub which has gone independent now. एंड जो टाइग्रेस थी वो P151 थी. आई नो मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ बट ख़राब लगता है काफ़ी व्हेन यू मिस अ टाइगर. ना देखे तो ठीक है बट व्हेन यू मिस अ टाइगर तो और ज़्यादा ख़राब लगता है. मैं सबको बोल भी रहा था बट नॉट टू गेट डिसहार्टन्ड, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम लेफ्ट. अभी आई थिंक 1.5-2 hours we still have remaining. So we'll give it our best shot. Our guide and driver are amazing. They've been tracking the tiger really well. ये थोड़ा confusion हो गया. अब वो किसी और की गलती है, हमारी गलती तो नहीं है. हम तो बहुत स्मार्टली ट्रैक कर रहे थे. एंड इनफैक्ट जिस स्पॉट से जो बटिया से निकली है टाइग्रेस, हम वहाँ आधे पौने घंटे तक उधर ही वेट कर रहे थे. आई डोंट नो व्हाई वी मूव्ड. वी शुड ट्रस्ट आवर instincts, you know. So we'll get back on our gypsy and let's see what else happens. So before going forward, we've decided that we'll have a breakfast here itself. So खाला दिया setup कर रहे हैं. So we have paratha, poha, fruits and eggs. It's this is also a surreal experience to be able to have a meal in the jungle. And I'm I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really bothered by not having been able to see P151 because she's such a amazing tigress. And the second part is we were coming down this road towards this camp, and उस टाइम पे हमारे आगे जो जिप्सी थी, they saw P151 sub-adult daughter sitting on the road. And you know, not to badmouth anybody, but she could have stayed on the road if you know things were done differently by the gypsy in front of us. But they kept moving forward in some, I don't know, just to get a better shot. Probably they didn't get too close, but then tiger jab bother ho jata hai, so she got up and left. So that's okay. It happens. Probably sometime it can happen from our side also, although we wouldn't want that to happen. अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, फिर बाकी की सफारी we will continue and I'll see you back. This is the boating point. They are saying that boat से आगे जाके टाइग्रेस दिख रही है. So we'll try our luck. So we have to go on the boat next time when it comes by.
This is one of the nicest investment you have done. बहुत सही है यार ये चीज.
Okay, so hard luck. We couldn't go on the boat also, and unfortunately the time is over. We're out. We missed the tigers twice, but we have more safaris to go. So afternoon safari is going to be in a few hours. We'll go back, refresh, and yeah, get ready for the evening safari. The hopes always remain high. Panna is a fantastic forest. Exiting the gate, Panna is a fantastic forest, and just seeing the jungle, it was amazing, beautiful. Had a wonderful time, and now we'll get back to the hotel, and I'll see you. Sign off will be there when I reach the hotel. Not now. Yeah. That is the Ken River. Beautiful water body is the heart of Panna Tiger Reserve. So finally we're back. Safari is done. We'll take a bath, wash off the dust from my hair, have lunch, and then go for our next safari. I'm already very excited. जंगल से बाहर निकल के भी मन नहीं भरता, एकदम वापस जाने का मन करता है. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates from Panna Tiger Reserve, and thank you.